Hi everybody, welcome back to the Beloved Christmas channel. If you're new here, hello. Now, we have done one episode in the series that I'm hoping to be ongoing, which is we take a package of TollHouse, any kind of TollHouse, and I attempt to make it, or attempt to improve it, the recipe on the back. So the recipe on the back of this one, this is morsels and more, strawberry and cream flavored, and the recipe on the back is for strawberry and cream cheesecake bars. So to make this, we're supposed to have refrigerated sugar cookie dough, cream cheese, sugar, salt, sour cream, egg, vanilla, flour. Only thing with this recipe here, I don't have any refrigerated sugar cookie dough, so I'm gonna make my own, and then we'll go from there. So we're gonna make up some basic sugar cookies real quick. We have our butter, sugar, egg, leavening ingredients, baking soda and baking powder, vanilla, and flour. So mix these up real quick like we would any other traditional cookie mix. I'm gonna do this quick. Step one. So we're going to grab a fork and we're gonna add our sugar to, ooh, what is that? Ooh. Cat hair. Alright, I'm gonna cream these together. Oh,
Draco, stop licking the butter off the table, you silly kitty.
add an egg and vanilla. Liquid ingredients, good to go. Dry ingredients. Give that a stir. Oop. Now it's that lovely time. Okay. So now we're just going to get all of our wet ingredients mixed in with our dry ingredients, and if we have to, we'll stick our hands in the bowl. I already got the ring off, I'm ready to go. Okay, so now we have our dough made. I'm just going to press all this dough into the very bottom of our baking pan. Now this is going to go into the oven at 350 for about 10 minutes. And then we will make the next part. Okay, now it's pressed in the pan and it's going to go in the oven for 10 minutes. Our sugar cookie layer has just come out of the oven, and I'm going to put it to the side to cool. I'm going to pull out the KitchenAid and we'll start the next part. Told you, my eggs match my kitchen, for those who saw the Easter egg video. Okay, so I have just about all of my ingredients together for the next part. I'm just going to get a half a cup of sugar, and then I'm going to get some vanilla, and then we're good to go. I already have my stand mixer prepped, so let's get this part started. Okay, so lock that down. I'm going to smooth this. Oops. Make that go a little. There we go. I'm going to add our sugar. Ooh. It's very excited, isn't it? And now we're going to add a half a cup of sour cream. Then we add the eggs and the vanilla. And add in 2 eggs. Come on, get all the opium in there. Alright. And vanilla. Alright, let's stop this and open it up, and we'll scrape the sides down. I just want everything equally and well incorporated. Now we've got all of this mixed together. Let me see. now that we've got all of that incorporated, let's see what the bag says next. And it's nice since we're using 2 packages, we'll just open one and put the other one to the side for the top. So that's cool. All right, here we go. All right, we're gonna open this TollHouse bag. I haven't even seen. Oh, there we go. Ooh, okay. Isn't that fun? So we got little graham crackers, little strawberry bits, and vanilla morsels, and that's what we're mixing in. Okay, and then I'm gonna pour this in. Give that a quick stir. Ooh. Now, I'm going to pour our batter over our cookie. Okay, and we'll get the rest of this into. I'm going to spread this all out. And we're going to let it cook for another 15 minutes. That looks so good already. Okay, now we're going to take it out of the oven. And let's get a close-up so you can see it. Okay, so there it is out of the oven. And I'm going to do our second layer of stuff on it. Alright. Isn't that pretty? Alright, I'm going to stick it back in the oven. My children turned the oven off on me. Okay. Still warm? Okay, and back into the oven you go. For another 15 or so minutes. Come on. There you go. Okay. That's... Ooh. Hey, it even did well up against my crooked kitchen. This kitchen is crooked. And cheesecake is one of those few things that it doesn't seem to affect that much nicely. Okay. This has to cool to room temperature and then go into the refrigerator for a minimum of 2 hours before it can even be cut. So it's gonna go into the fridge for tonight, and I'll try it in the morning with Joey. Guess what I made for you this time?
Cheesecake.
How'd you guess? Oh.
It's sitting right in front of me.
Well, I would explain it. All right, let's try giving this a cut and see how well it cuts. All right, let's see how this cuts. Ooh, right there, looks good. Ooh. Ooh, yeah, that's nice and stuck in there. I saw that. How was it?
You saw nothing.
I saw that.
It is delicious.
Okay. Yeah. All right, I almost got this piece out. I almost got it out. Come on, come on. Ah. It's. I'm foiled. Oh, you know what? I didn't cut through all the way through the cookie layer. There's a cookie layer underneath here. All right. So I'm gonna get a better knife. I just don't want to cut my pan. That's my worry.
Yeah.
All right. I'm trying to be as gentle as I can. All right. There we go. Our first piece is out. You know, I sprayed this pan too. And I was sitting there going, I grabbed the wrong cooking spray. I didn't use the baking cooking spray. This probably would work better. Oh, I scratched my pan. That's what I was trying to avoid.
Yeah. We'll give the rotating effect.
Well, let's give this a taste. Better?
Yeah.
Okay, we found the proper delivery system. Don't use a fork, use your fingers. So we all...
I think we're good.
Okay, bye. Thanks for watching. For more beloved Christmas content like this, hit the subscribe button and make sure those notifications are turned on so you don't miss a thing.